guys, this is Rockerz and today I'm gonna unbox this Boat wireless speaker Stone 260 and let us talk about its reviews. This package contains Stone 260 speaker, micro USB cable and a user manual, and where it's from, imported and marketed by. Let's just open it. So this is the speaker. It's got a hook. It's like a keychain. And inside we got a charging cable, a warranty card, and a user manual. So about the speaker, the design is cool, it's nice, and the keychain shows you can tie it. Let's just play it. Try it.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
I'm going to connect it from a phone.
You're now connected to Boat Stone 260.
Let's try playing some music.
I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. When you take my hand, finish my drink, say